Hello, welcome to Tutorial 3. After you set up the hardware, let's get started. Write your first Python program. Let's create an empty file. Remember, create this file inside the Python folder. Let's say first program.py. Don't forget the extension for the Python file. Click OK. So we open it. And let's see. For the first part, we need to write an import statement. We import the temp module, also import the py um also import the GroupPy module. The GroupPy module, you need this module to work with the rotary angle sensor. And then let's create a variable name, say rotary angle sensor. Let's let's make it equal to 0, and then LED, create another variable name called LED equal to 5. Why do we assign them to 0? Because for the rotary angle sensor, we put it into 80 port. So the 0 means it's the port number. And then our LED light is in a D5 port. That's why we assign it to 5. And then let's say GroupPy pin mode LED output. Let's create another variable like I equals 0. And then this is the take home assignment. I can do some research about what these two statement like doing about. You can Google it, like Google GroupPy pin mode, and then try to understand what this two line code means. Let's create another variable called I equals 0. And then let's have another while statement. Try. Let's do try, and then try and when you have something is input and output, do it in the try statement, because later we will have another except uh, statement. So if the input and output code is not working, then we go to the except section. You will see I equal to pi excuse me, pi analog read. This code is easy to understand because the I we read the data from the sensor, rotary angle sensor, and then let the number data assigned to I. And then what we do right now is print out what I is, so we know what number we get from the rotary angle sensor. And to groove pi analog right. One thing is this one is write, and this one is read. Read means read data from, it's kind of input, and then write is writing the output to. And we are writing the output to the LED light, and then I divided by 4. Another take home um, another take-home assignment activity, like um, small quiz. I try to figure out why we do it right here. Try to understand what what parameter you take for the analog write. For this one, you take is the LED port, like the output, which port you want to output to, and then what about this one? And then when you're learning programming, do research, like Google it is the best way to do it if you don't understand any part of the code, and then accept IO error. Just print the error out. Just print error staying. So like for this one, see if I try do this code, if I fail, then we'll go to accept error. Okay. Right now, let's run it and then let's see how does it go.